Hello! Today I'm replacing gas struts on the rear boot or trunk of my SLK 230 compressor. These have lost their pressure and so the boot slams and it's really annoying. So I'm going to try and swap them over. I've got some new ones. Very exciting. So what I'm going to do is just use a little screwdriver to see if I can slide the little clips on the end off. And normally they slide down. Really need to keep this boot up. Actually, I just pulled that out and then it was able to pop off, so that's good. Do the same up here. There we go. That was easy. Same thing, but now I'm just going to push it on. There's grease already in these, pre-greased struts. That just pushed on. That just pushed on. Hopefully. Happy days. Now, just for fun, I'm going to do the other one too. There it is. Ooh, see if we can get you to see it. There it is. Right. Bottom one first. That was easy. So all I'm doing is I'm just putting a screwdriver underneath there and easing it out and then pulling it off. Dead easy. Here's the new one. One at the top. Let's push it on. There we go. On at the bottom. Oh. There it goes. Hopefully. Wow. There. Awesome. It's nice when jobs are easy, isn't it? If that was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I'll make some more videos that are helpful. Thank you for watching and good luck if you change your struts.